What is up, guys? We're back on the bike. Yes, I ride during the winter. Like I said, like I mentioned before, I am not like your Cali boys. I will ride in this weather, and I will suit up no matter what. I forgot to put on my music. Should I stop? Should I pull over? Nah. Is it that important? Not really. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Let me just listen to the bike today. Come on, people. I'm late. Actually, I'm not even late. I'm actually on time. I am like suited up right now. I got like fucking like hella gear on. I got hella gear on. I feel I'm gonna get fatigued from this ride, man. You know when you wear like a lot of stuff to ride? Man, I'm wearing like undershirt, compression, and then another long sleeve, and then a crew neck, and then on top of all that, I got a crew, what is it? My leather jacket, and then on top of that, I got a hoodie over it. So I feel like I'm stiff as shit right now. I'm stiff as shit. It's 44 degrees out right now. I got 3,421 miles on it. My dad and my mom were like, yo, it's cold as shit. How you riding? Beats me. I think once it reaches over like, under like 34, that's when I call it quits. What is this little bump, man? Ha 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 ha. Alright, keep me safe, okay? You can go over. You're good. Don't worry. I'm not mad. Ooh, I feel good. Ah! So I noticed when you have a leather jacket on, right, and you put a sweater over it, you don't feel nothing. Maybe I should have worn my like extra layer of gloves, my hand warmers, whatever. Oh, whatever. We're already here. Holy shit, what was that bump? Beautiful day on the bike, man. Beautiful day. feels so nice today, bro. What are my S's, man? What are my turns, bro? Why am I taking them so like wide? Probably because I still feel like the tires are cold. So there's like low-key a blob of like some sort on my windshield right now that like it kind of blocks my vision on my right eye, which kind of sucks. Why does it sound like louder? It sounds like more like, I don't know. She sounds a little different today. Should I just go? It's been 3 weeks in my daytime, you know, tenure now. Man, it's been 3 weeks already. That's crazy. Finally glad to have a normal life again, guys. I wake up, you know, do stuff, come back home, do stuff again. I'm like, damn, bro. And my weekends nowadays, they feel so much like longer. Like they just feel like, because I'm not using my first day off to like recover from sleep from the night shift, you know. Now I'm already just like, I'm already fueled. That night is my like refuel right there. So I'm loving it, guys. Life is good right now. Hope everybody's life is great. Hope you're achieving your dreams, touching your bodies whenever it needs, even though it's no nut November, you know. It's NNN. But sometimes you just gotta do it. Let it free, you know. Let it come all over your chest. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Hey. It made me fucking squeal. Oh shit. Oh, we got a Maxima over here. Oh, an Ultima, I mean, my bad, my bad. All blacked out too. Sheesh. I'm scared. I don't know if this guy is driving slow or if he's just slow. I mean, or if he's behind a slow person. Why is Virginia for lovers? Tell me, what is the reason for? I don't even know why that's our slogan. You know? Can't even turn. I feel like I'm in the Batman suit right now, where he can only turn his like fucking whole body instead of his neck. Cold. Kind of a crazy ride today, guys. It's kind of short ride too, because I was kind of booking it. Kinda. When the winter comes, I don't ride too hard, you know. I kind of ride moderately and stuff, so it ain't nothing too crazy. You're still recording? Yeah. What's that smell? That isn't my bike, right?